Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites so the keyboard works reliably. Install the app, then open device settings and enable the keyboard as an input method. This lets apps call it. Once done, switch to the new keyboard in any text field to test basic typing. Make sure to grant suggested permissions, clipboard and themes, because they enable paste, custom skins, and predictive emoji. This first action gets you into the app and ready to configure advanced options without delay. Now configure the core features so you type faster and express more. Open app settings and choose a layout, compact, full, or one-handed, and adjust key size. This changes reach and accuracy. Next, enable predictive emoji, shortcuts, and language packs so suggestions match your typing. Learn gestures, swipe to delete, long press for alternate characters, and tap the search icon to find emoji by keyword. Once configured, practice in messages so muscle memory forms and you speed through future conversations. Finish by personalizing and verifying the experience across apps. Add favorites and shortcuts for frequently used emoji and backup settings to the cloud if the app supports it. This saves time on new devices. Test in messaging, social, and email to confirm emoji render as expected. If something breaks, clear the app cache first, then re-enable the keyboard in settings. If problems persist, reinstall the app. That resets corrupted data. This troubleshooting tip solves most common failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.